Cardamom is commonly used in Indian cooking and it is also known to have a few medical properties. Here is a natural remedy to improve digestion. Crush a few cardamom pods, put them in hot water and boil for 5 minutes. Strain and drink the water after hot meals. This helps greatly in digesting the food easily. Cardamom has antibacterial properties which can fight a certain bacteria in the body. Cardamom can improve insulin sensitivity and reduce blood sugar levels. It has a calming effect on the mind and it can help alleviate stress. It has great anti-inflammatory properties which can reduce chronic inflammation. It eases digestive symptoms like indigestion, bloating, gas, etc.